pumpkin and a carrot are the clay. So let's get right into this. So first we're gonna make the pumpkin. So for the pumpkin, I've taken a bit of orange clay that you can see. I'm gonna just press it, do anything, and I'm gonna make it in a ball. A ball. So for the pumpkin, I'm gonna make a nice little ball. So pumpkins are never flat. The bottom part's flat anyways. So nice. There we are. A nice little pumpkin ball. Not pumpkin. So at any part, because it's a round, so you can take any part and you can consider it as the down part. I'll take this down part. I'm gonna make it flat. Any tool, I'm gonna make it flat. Like that. It should be flat. Okay, so upper part should not be flat. So the down part should be flat. You can take any down part you want. Like that, flat. Okay. So after that, you're gonna make some lines. So you can see this round circle, right? A bit of round circle. No, I can see it. So till there, and I start from here and make the line till there. See, I made some dots. So I'm gonna make it 3 like that. It's not compulsory that it will be straight lines. You can just make curved lines like that. So like this, as you can see, I made these lines. You make some curved lines to the bottom part. Not all the way to the bottom part, a bit. So, as you know now, the bottom part and the front part, you know now what is the front part. So, I'm going to take the upper part. I'm going to make a hole in there. See? You can see a hole. If it's not a hole, you can make any type of hole. A hole is a hole. Okay, so yeah, I made a big hole. Now, I'm going to take this green part and I'm going to do it like that. I'm going to make it a bit liney. And for the pumpkin, you got to take the narrow part and you got to just come on. There we go. I'm trying to make it a pumpkin shape. There you go. So I'm gonna just shape it now by pressing at the base, a bit base. Okay, so like that, I pressed at the base. So as you can see, I pressed at the bottom place, and then it looks like this with the lines. So, okay, now I'm gonna take a sharp tool, and as you can see at the brinjal we did like that. We just have to take a bit and like that. But at the pumpkin, you have to do between the lines. Every line you make, you have to make in between them. Okay? As you can see, I've done with my pumpkin. You can see? Okay. So, same as the pumpkin, I've made the tomato. You can see? Tomato. It's same, but the difference is that the color is red here, and it doesn't have lines like the pumpkin that we have made. See? So that's the difference between the tomato and pumpkin. Okay? You can get a nice closer look to it, how nice it is, like, and the tomato. I can show it like this. See? Okay, so now we're gonna make the carrot. So I'm gonna take a piece of my orange that you can see. And now I'm gonna make like the chili. It's actually like the chili. Just the down part is it's a bit narrow. The upper part from the narrow part is bigger. Like that. Okay. So as you can see, a nice close-up look. Now I'm done. See, don't want it too big. So like that. See? Now I'm gonna take any sharp tool. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna make a hole. See? I'm gonna make a nice hole. There. Okay? Now, I take a green color, my green color, and I just roll it like that. Now, you have to take any part. First, I'll take this out because you have to also take it at the, do it backwards too. Now, I'm going to just take any fork tool. I'm just going to do it like this. Okay? Like this. And then I'm going to do it like that. Backwards. Okay. Now I'm going to roll it. As you can see, it's like that. I'm going to roll it a bit more because you don't want it big. Okay, you see that? That's how it looks. So, I'm going to shape it a bit. Because you don't want it that much big, that much small. Okay, I'm done. Now, I'm going to put it right over there. You know how a radish looks like? It's just like it. See? Now, I just press it in a bit. Okay, so my cat's ready. But, like we did like that, and I also had to do it like this a bit. Only a bit, not a lot. Okay, done. As you can see, our lovely carrot's done. See? I'll put it down for a closer look up. You can see how nice it looks. Nice. We have the tomato. We have the nice pumpkin. We also have our carrots. So this is it for today's video. Stay for the next video. I'm thinking of more clay videos, more Beyblades. We'll get right into this. Bye everybody, stay home, stay safe.